Okay, guys, October 2nd review. If you do all of these, I'll give you extra credit on your homework. If you do 5 of them like you're supposed to, I'll just give you full credit. So here we go. I'll go as fast as I can. All right, these. Number 1, my laundry, baby's laundry. Let's make the rooms. I see more of my laundry over here. I see 5 of them. So this is going to be my room. This is going to be the baby's room. So let's get my laundry out of the baby's room with minus 3x's, always the opposite. So my laundry's gone out of here, and I've got 2 x's in this room. But I got to get 20 out of baby's laundry out of my room using positive 20 over to here, positive 20. 27 equals 2x. Ew, that's weird. Why did I give this problem? I don't know. Okay, so let's divide by 2. And x equals an ugly answer because I made an ugly one, 27 halves. They're both not even. There's nothing I can do. That's just the answer. So sometimes when it doesn't work out well, that's just the answer. All right, number 2. Let's see if I keep making ugly problems today. In this problem, I see Starbucks. So I see negative 2 times 5x is negative 10x. Negative 2 times positive 1 is negative 2. Equals negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4x's. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6's. And we have minus 8 at the end. We also had 6x over here. So the first thing you had to do was be able to do our distributing, our Starbucks. The next thing you have to be able to do is see that there's too many piles of laundry in the same room. Meaning I have 2 piles of my clothes in this room, and there's 2 piles of the baby's clothes in this room. We got to combine them. Before we do anything, clean the rooms. 6x's versus negative 10x's. The negatives are going to win by 4x's. Let's see. Positive 6 and negative 8. The negatives are going to win by 2. So before we do anything, we have this over here, and we have this over here. All right, let's see now. Okay. This is interesting problem. I'm gonna make this my room and this the baby's room. Check this out. Something weird is gonna happen. We go to move things, right? I'm gonna add 4x's to this side to get rid of this over here and bring it over here. So it's dead over here. Plus 4x's over here. Uh-oh. I accidentally killed the x's on both sides. Weird. All right, so what do I have now? I have negative 2 equals negative 2. When the letters accidentally go away on both sides and you're left with negative 2 equals negative 2, that's what these problems are about. That is true. That is always true. So this is infinite solutions. This is infinity solutions. Pretty much every number works in there. So that's what happens when the x's go away. So already, this is a weird assignment. I've given you a bunch of weird problems today. All right, for number 3, the reason why this is going to be irrational is because 31 is not a pink number. We're allowed to take square roots of pink numbers, like 9 is a pink number. It's on our flashcards. That's just 3. But 31 is not on our flashcards for the pinks. So we can't take a square root of that and have it be rational. So that goes on forever. So this whole thing goes on forever. This guy's just a normal old fraction. Nothing weird about him. Oops, sorry, irrational. What am I doing? I did the right color, the wrong letter. Irrational. This one is just a normal fraction that's rational. That's what rational means. This is 0.172, 172, 172. This is 0.172, where the 1, the 7, and the 2 all repeat. We should know how to make those into fractions. This is rational. All right, let's see. 0.634852 goes on forever, ... forever, no pattern. Irrational. Square root of 80, 2 times the square root of 81. Yeah, we can do this. 2 is rational, okay. 81, we can take the square root of 81. That's on our pink. This is just 2 times the square root of 81 is just 9. That was our pink card. So this whole thing is just 18. Yeah, we're good. Rational. You're allowed to take square roots of pink numbers. Down here, square root of a pink number is 4 pink number. It sure is. It's the 2 card. But pi goes on forever. There's nothing we can do about pi. So that ruins it. Irrational. Write these as a fraction. Let's see. This is the 1 spot, the 0 spot, the 0 spot, the 1 spot, a 0 spot. So these would both be 43 100ths if there was no repeating line. But we treat them as umbrellas. We do the umbrella rule. Over here, the rain falls down, hits all this stuff, but this gets blocked. We're good. Over here, the rain falls down, hits more stuff. The umbrella only blocks there. So let's see. In the 43, nothing got ruined. Nothing got hit by rain. In the 100, the 1 gets hit by rain. This is 43 99ths. Let's see. In this one, more stuff gets hit by rain. The 4 gets hit by the rain in the 43, so we throw it away. So now 43 is only 39. In the 100, 10 gets hit by rain, so this is not 100 anymore. This is 90, and that is the fraction. How many answers does this have? Let's see. 6x's on this side, negative 6x's on that side. These are not the same. So these will not cancel each other out. This is just a normal old problem. This one, I have to do some Starbucks. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. We've got 3x's on this side. We've got 3x's on that side. Those will cancel each other out. They balance each other out. So what do we have on this side? We have negative 12 equals positive 12. No, negative 12 does not equal positive 12 ever. This is no solution. On this side, we have 3x's. On this side, we have 6x's. Those are not the same. This is a normal problem. These will not cancel each other out. This is a normal problem. Over here, let's see what we have. On this side, we have 5x's. On this side, we have 3x's. Ooh, that is supposed to be an x, not a y. An x would change that. Okay, 3x's and 5x's. 8x's minus 2 is really what we have over here. 8x's minus 2 is really what we have over there. 8x's on this side, 8x's on that side. They're going to cancel each other out. So we're left with negative 2 equals negative 2. That is true. That is always true. That's infinity. Number 6. Let's see, number 6. This is like the word hi and hello. Here's the word hi. Even though it doesn't look like hello, they mean the same thing. And I can tell they mean the same thing because of this equal sign. So over here I have a sentence where like hi, let me just get this back. Hi equals 3x minus 2. So we're just going to change it. No, not hi equals, hello equals 3x minus 2. So we're going to take the y out because over here y was the same thing as 6x minus 5. So we're just going to take the y out and replace it with 6x minus 5. Now we're going to do the same things. 6x, 3x, negative 5, negative 2. I'm going to minus 3x's over here and move them over to here to my room. I'm going to say this is my room. So they're dead over here, and I've got 3x's in my room. But how much is in the baby's room? Well, let's add 5 and move this out of my room over to the baby's room. Negative 2 and 5 is positive 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X equals 1. All right, so we know x's are 1s, but we have to figure out what y's are. So I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning and replace x's with 1s. So y doesn't equal 6 times x. Y equals 6 times 1 minus 5 because x's are 1s. Y equals 6 times 1 is 6 minus 5. Y's are 1s as well. So for this one, x's are 1s and y's are 1s. Number 7, let's see. Here's hi. Here's hello. So over here, I'm going to take out hi out of this sentence and replace it with hello, 3x minus 2. Negative 7x plus 3x minus 2 equals negative 10. Okay. I've got too many x's in this room, so I got to clean the room. Negative 7 versus positive 3 is 4x's minus 2 equals 10. Baby's clothes, baby's room, my room. Let's add 2, add 2. 4x's equal 12. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X equals 3, but we're not done yet. So we have to take the 3, plug it back in. y equals 3 times 3 minus 2, because x's are 3's. Y equal 9 minus 2, y equals 7. So 3 for the x's, 7 for the y's was the answer. Always alphabetical order. All right, number 8. All right, here's the only this is still hi and hello. It's just that the hi and hello are going to be plugged into more random hard spots of the sentence. So here's hi. Here's hello. But now hi is connected to this too. So when we replace hi with hello in the sentence, it's a little more complicated spot. Because it was connected to this 2, we have to do Starbucks. 2 times 3x is positive 2 times 3x is positive 6x. Positive 2 times positive 4 is positive 8. 2x's plus 6x's plus 8 equals 0. We have too many. We have too much of my laundry in that room, so 8x's is really what we have, plus 8 equals 0. All right, this is the baby's room over here, so let's get this laundry minus 8 out, minus 8. They're gone over here. 8x's equals 0 minus 8, negative 8. Divide by 8, divide by 8, and x equals negative 1. All right, x equals negative 1. Let's come back to here. X is negative 1. Y equals 3 times x's are negative 1's, right? We know x's are negative 1's, plus 4. Y equals 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, plus 4. Y equals positive 1. Positive beats the negative by 1 there. So negative 1 for x, positive 1 for y. Okay, here we go. 2 more problems. Y equals negative 3x plus 9. Okay. So here's the hi. Here's the hello. Let's see. 6x plus 2 y's equals 18. We're going to take y out of the equation and plug in hello. So negative 3x plus 9. 6x plus 2 of those is 18. 6x positive 2 times negative 3 is negative 6x's. Positive 2 times 9 is plus 18 equals 18. I have too much of my laundry in this room, so I got to clean it up. Uh-oh, 6x's minus 6x's. I have no x's. They're going to cancel each other out. They're going to be 0 x's. So now I got 18 equals 18. The letters, when the letters go away, 18 equals 18? Yeah, forever. This is infinite solutions. All right, number 10. Let's see. 16x's minus 4, not y's, 4 times 4x minus 3. That's what they are. Equals 12. Let's see, 16x's, negative 4 times 4x is negative 16x. Negative 4 times negative 3 is plus 12 equals 12. 16x's are going to kill off 16x's again. Too much of my laundry in the room. These guys are gone. We're left with 12 equals 12. We have infinite solutions again. Okay. Experts only. Let's see. Down here. All right. When I have a column of X's, a column of Y's, and a column of baby's clothes, I can just add them up. Thank you, Y's, for canceling yourselves out. I don't have to do anything. So 3X's plus 4X's is 7X's. Negative 2 and negative 12 is negative 14. Positive 2Y's and negative 2Y's, I have 0 of them. So really, I just have 7X's equal negative 14. I'm going to divide by 7X equals negative 2. I'm going to use one of the, let's say 3x's plus 2y's equals negative 2, but now I know x's are negative 2's. So x's are negative 2's. So 3 times negative 2 plus 2y's equals negative 2. Negative 6 plus 2y's equals negative 2. Let's add 6 because it's baby clothes to this side. Let's add 6 because it's baby's clothes to that side. I'm guessing if you're doing these problems, you don't need these guys anymore, but maybe that makes sense to you. So 2y's equal negative 2 versus positive 6. Positives win by 4. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Y's are 2's. The answer is negative 2, positive 2. All right, for this one, let's see. If I add the columns, nothing cancels out. This would cancel out. If this 2 was negative 4, these would cancel out. So I'm going to make this whole row that's blue on the bottom, I'm going to make it twice as big. So instead of negative 2x's, I've got negative 4x's. Instead of 3y's, I've got 6y's. Instead of 7, I've got 14. Now I'm going to add them up. Technically, the middle row is dead, but I'm not going to cross it out just because I might use it later. Let's see, 4x's and negative 4x's. The x's have canceled each other out. Great. Negative 6y's and positive 6y's. Whoa, I didn't even notice it, but both canceled out. So I've got nothing on this left side. I've got no letters over there. Nothing. No x's, no y's. I've got nothing. Over here, I've got 12 and 14 equals 26. The letters have gone away. So now this is going to be infinity or no solution. When your letters accidentally go away, this is infinity or no solution. 0 does not equal 26. This is no solution. All right, over here, let's see. Tough one. Tough one, tough one, tough one. 3's don't do a good job of becoming 4's. 6's don't become 8's. So I'm going to turn the x's both into 12's. 3's and 4's go into 12. So I have to make this one 4 times bigger. So now I have 12 x's plus 24 y's equals 36. So I made that one 4 times bigger. But if I want to turn this one into 12, these x's into 12's, I have to make this not 3 times bigger, but negative 3 times bigger because I need one of them to be negative. So 4 x's times negative 3 is negative 12 x's. 8 times 3 and make it negative is negative 24 y's. 12 times negative 3 is negative 36. All right, so now I'm doing the top one versus the bottom one. So exactly like I wanted, 12x's versus negative 12x's, or x's go away. 24y's versus negative 24y's. Whoa, it happened again. The y's killed themselves off too. So I have nothing on the left. 36 versus negative 36. Whoa, I have nothing on the right. 0 equals 0. We've gotten the letters to go away, so this is infinity or nothing, but 0 does equal nothing, or 0 does equal 0. So this is infinite solutions. All right, there's all the homework help for tonight. Pick 5 and do 5 if you, and send them in. If you have extra credit, do all of them. We'll do more practice tomorrow. If you're ready to move on to graphing, tomorrow will be your graphing introduction. All right, good luck.